Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vamsi Online Maths Classes. In this video, I am going to give an important shortcut formula in pair of straight lines chapter. Right, this is the formula. What is the benefit for this formula is whenever we have any two different type of pair of straight lines, this is ax square plus 2x square plus by square equal to another one is also ax square plus 2x square plus by square, but it has constant 2gx plus 2 plus c. Definitely with the help of these two pair of lines we can make a quadrilateral. But what kind of quadrilateral it should be? What kind of quadrilateral will form with the help of these two pair of straight lines we can find by using these synopses. So I divided total synopsis into two cases. Case 1, case 2. Case 1 is about a plus b is not equal to 0 situation. Case 2 is about a plus b equal to situation. So the formula, common formula, the formula is very simple to remember. The first case 1 is a plus b not equal to 0 or a plus b equal to 0. Case 1, case 2. In that also, the formula is same for every case. A minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is not equal to 0. It is a parallelogram, in which case a plus b not equal to 0. In the same way, in case this value a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0, the two pair of straight lines forms a rhombus. Right. Now come to the case 2. If a plus b equal to 0, a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is not equal to 0, that represents a rectangular. If a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0, it is a square. If you remember these 4 points, definitely you will be able to answer these kind of questions. What kind of quadrilateral you will get with the help of these two pair of straight lines. Come to the question. The question is the figure formed by the four lines 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equal to 0 and 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square minus 28x minus 28y plus 49 equal to 0 is what kind of quadrilateral? The figure should be formed by means what kind of quadrilateral these four lines will make, right? So first of all, compare the values with ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2 plus c. A value is 3, 2h value is 10, from here h value is 5 and b value is also 3. Now come to find 2z. 2z value is minus 28, from here g is equals to minus 14, 2f value is also minus 28, so f is equals to minus 14 and c is equal to 49 by comparison. First of all, find out what is a plus b. What is a plus b? A value is 3 and b value is also 3, that is equal to 6. It is not equal to 0. So when a plus b is not equal to 0, we can confirm that this question belongs to case 1. Right. Now try to find a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square value. H into f square minus g square. Substitute the values here. What is a value? 3. B value is also 3 into f into z. No need to substitute because 3 minus 3 becomes 0. H value is 5. F square 14 square nothing but 196 minus again 196 because z is also 14. So this value is 0 and this value is 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So in case 1, when a plus b not equal to 0 is case 1, in that case a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0. These four lines formed rhombus according to case 1. Come to this question. The question is the figure formed by the four lines 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square equal to 0 and 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 5x plus 15y minus 25 equal to 0. What kind of quadrilateral it should be? We have to find. So for that, compare this equation with the general form. You will get a value as 2, 2h value as 3, h value as 3 by 2, b value as minus 2, 2z value as minus 5. From here g is equals to minus 5 by 2. 2f is equals to 15. F is equals to 15 by 2. C is equals to minus 25. So these are the data. First to find a plus b value. What is a plus b? A value is 2 plus b value is minus 2, that is equal to 0. So when a plus b equal to 0 means this question belongs to case 2. Right. Now come to find a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square value. A minus b. A value is 2 minus b value is minus 2. So minus of minus plus 2 into fg. What is f value? 15 by 2 into g, that is minus 5 by 2 brackets plus h. What is h value? 3 by 2 and f square 225 by 4 minus g square 25 by 4. 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4 minus 75 by 4 plus 3 by 2 into, after taking LCM, LCM is 4, 225 minus 25 is 200. Okay, now 4 cancel, right? This is minus 75 plus, here see, 4 5s are 20, 2 1s are 225s. So 325 is again 75. 75 minus 75, 0. Right. Now what is the conclusion here? A plus b equal to 0. So it is case 2. In case 2, when a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0, it represents a square. Now these two questions for you. Try to find answer for these two questions with the help of our synopsis. The questions are, the first question is, the figure formed by the four lines 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square equal to 0 and 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square plus x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the first question. Compare this equation with general form of second degree equation. Ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2x5 plus c equal to 0. You will get a, b, c and g, f, c value and use our synopsis. You will get the answer. As the same procedure for the second question also. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel.